All right, guys, so I just took the steering dampener out, the steering stabilizer, whatever you want to call it, and you know, it's one of those things where you're doing a more simple thing and it's going to turn into a huge big project. So before I get to that, here's the plug that you take out right there, and then the bolt is sitting right here. It's a 15 millimeter, easy to take out, just a single bolt. On the bottom, it's going to be right here, and it's going to be a single bolt. That's a 17 millimeter bolt. It threads into the steering dampener, so there's no nut on top. But unfortunately, which I don't know if you can see right here, there's no bushing in this. So I just figured out we're going to need another bushing, and the bushing is for the steering stabilizer. So here's the old steering stabilizer right here, covered in oil. It's been leaking. You can push it in and out very easily. There's the new one. I can leave a link for that in the description for you guys, but those are the two new ones. But the issue is that this is the bushing that came out. This is the sleeve that goes through it, and then obviously the bolt. But this bushing is totally junk. It obviously looks like it has been worn out for quite a while. I don't even think I could use that if I wanted to. So once again, we will have to order up some more pieces. We have not ordered the pieces for the control arm anyway, so we'll be able to order this at the same time. But you know, it's one of those things, you keep taking one thing apart to change things out, and you keep finding more problems and just more things that are on. So it's not a big thing. It's a pretty small fix, but you know, every time you got to order something, it, you know, takes time to come in and do. So I won't be able to finish the steering stabilizer today, which is fine, but I'd rather do all of this stuff now rather than when it's all together and we figure out that we're driving down the road and it steers like crap and we have issues. So just wanted to give you guys that little bit of information. You know, it's a project, so we're working on it. What's going on? Here I am back with the Volkswagen. Every day I'm working on this thing, trying to get this thing finished. Some parts have come in. The last time I was talking about how we needed brake stuff, brake cylinder, master cylinder, and steering stabilizer bushing, and some other bushings for the control arms and stuff. So we do have that. That stuff has come in. Ball joints are here, bushings for the control arms. This bushing for the stabilizer is on back order, so that hasn't come yet. I have not painted the sway bar just yet, but I will. We are also going to get the whole stock washer fluid set up going the way it's originally supposed to be. So we got a new one of these. That's the hose and cap right here. This one does have some air bubbles. It has some leaks in it, so we're going to change that out. We have two more windshield wiper arms. We had already ordered two. One came in gray and one came in silver, so we ended up ordering two black ones to put those on instead. And basically everything else is still the same from the last time. I do have the latch hooked up, the striker hooked up for this, so now this works, closes the trunk, and yeah, just gonna keep on going, doing some more stuff. Like I said, I want to do more stuff in here, that way I can put the hood on, sand and buff the hood, get the fenders on, sand and buff the fenders, and get that wrapped up, because the back's pretty wrapped up. And I want to do the front, so I'm gonna just probably work in here today, try to get some more stuff done. I put the antenna in the other day, and the gas tank's back in just for now. Make sure we don't have to take that back out for any other reason, but I'll probably just keep working here, cleaning this up. I'll probably get the wires run. These are the wires for the headlights. I got to wire up the horn. Somebody had cut up the wiring and you know, did something weird with the horn wire, so probably get that situated. We got new rubber grommets to go to the inside, just like over here. Like these are all you know, junk. They're painted, they're broken. So we have new ones of those. So I'm gonna just keep going, try to do some more stuff, get everything handled, and hopefully soon this thing will be driving. So I'll check back in with you guys later. Thank you for watching. All right, guys, as you can see, I still have the front end apart. Over here, I got all the new bushings installed in the control arms and on the sway bar. Got those painted up just to make it look a little bit nicer. You know, one of these, like I already showed you guys, was all worn out. So now we have all the new stuff in here. New sway bar bushings. You know, these sway bar bushings also. And I have all the new brake parts for the front end, brake lines, master cylinder. I'm gonna take all that out. New brake switches, all that stuff. It wasn't working, or the brake switches and everything wasn't working, and the brake fluid that came out of here after it's been sitting for so long was just horrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and change all that now anyway, so I don't have to do it later. So hopefully today, it's gonna take a lot, but hopefully I can change out the master cylinder, I can change out all the front brake lines, and then I can put all this new front suspension in, get that all wrapped up, and then get this back on the ground. That would be the best thing, because then I can put the fenders on and start doing more stuff like that. The brake lights will be working and all of that. So that's gonna be a big task, but I think I can do that. It is gonna be, you know, a good step in the right direction to get this thing finally done. I've been saying for the last couple times that I want to get this front end wrapped up. I really, really want to get this wrapped up. Every time I start doing something in here, I have to take 2 steps back and, you know, do other things. So if I can get more stuff done and get this thing rolling back, it's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna get going on that, and I will update you guys after I start working on it. So thanks for watching.